Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove saved login credentials from the Facebook app on your iOS or Android device. So if you want to have to manually insert your password every time you sign out or need to sign back into Facebook on your phone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to require that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Facebook app and select your profile icon in the top right and go down underneath where it says log out. So scroll all the way to the bottom, select log out of your account. You can select the log out button and then locate the account that you want to remove the saved login credentials for. Select the three-dot icon next to it and select where it says remove password, and your password is no longer saved. So there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.